And there we go. This video is for an amateur. Do not attempt at home. No watches were harmed in making this video for entertainment only. That's a fact. That's a fact. That's an opinion. And that's a fact.
What we have here today is an Illinois Watch Company 18 size Bunn special pocket watch. A friend of mine had a repair shop take a look at it, and he was told it has a broken mainspring. As you can see, it won't wind. And they didn't think they could find a replacement. So he contacted me and asked if I could take a look at it. I told him I'd give it a shot. So I'm going to crack it open and see what's going on inside. First we'll open up the back and take a look. Now the first thing we see is that the balance wheel spins nicely, so that's good. Now something else I notice is that these screws, the case screws here and here, are open, so this movement's been kind of bouncing around in here. I don't know if the repair shop that took a look at it didn't tighten those back, but well, we're gonna see what's going on. So before I take the movement out, I'm going to set the hands in a position where I'm not going to screw them up when I put it in a holder. This is a lever set pocket watch. You have to see how this whole thing moves? It's because those case screws weren't screwed down. So I got the lever out, and I'm going to just move these hands. Yeah, they're off a little bit. I'm going to move them both down here. And we're going to see if we can take this out now. Here we go. Now the question is, can I order another one of these? And I'm pretty sure I can. There you go. Success, this step.